Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is an exciting one. I'm sharing a lot with you guys. We are going to be doing some cleaning, some rearranging. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a DIY, and also at the end of this video I'm going to be doing a giveaway because I want to give back to you guys. You guys are just amazing and so supportive, and I want to show you guys how much I appreciate all of you guys. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started.
We have between us, it broke us down. Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink.
So what we're doing here is just going ahead and cleaning up the toys, putting everything back in her organization bins, and just starting with a clean slate by getting all of her toys picked up. Let me know in the comments if when you were growing up, did you rearrange your bedroom? When I was old enough, I started rearranging my bedroom like every couple of months. I just loved a new fresh look, and it was just always fun trying out different areas in my room and seeing how my room can be totally transformed just by moving a few things around.
Well, it's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, 'cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you.
So I am having problems with my Dyson. It doesn't work on my Ruggable downstairs, so I did ask Dyson to send me a new head of the vacuum. So if you guys have dealt with this before, let me know, or if you have a Dyson and you use it on your Ruggable, let me know, because I'm trying to figure out why it's not working. But their customer service is absolutely amazing.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. Touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche when I am trying.
So I want the bed a different way so I can lay down like 4 feet like me.
Yeah, you want it as tall as you. So that's not going to happen in this, because this isn't, it doesn't come out that much. You know what I mean? This is going to be like a sitting area. And if you want to lay down, you lay down on your bed. No? Okay, we can try some other ways. This is trial and error, okay? Okay,
So
let's do this.
Try one.
Let's try. This is the first try. Let's try another way.
You, and all the things that you do. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside.
If you guys are cleaning with me today, I would love it if you would tag me over on your post on Instagram. If you're over there, I would love to see you guys in action.
Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all.
Since you guys have been asking me a lot about different products and home decor throughout my house, I'm going to go ahead and link some of AVA'S things down in the description box, so it's right there, easy for you guys to check out.
Cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
All right, you guys, so Ava's room turned out amazing. She is so happy with it. Every day she's been telling me, Mommy, thank you so much for changing my room. And she's so happy. So it's just crazy how a little bit of changes for free can completely change your space. So now we are going to go ahead and clean downstairs and get this place back together. Let me know if you guys are cleaning with me or if you are just hanging out today.
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind. Oh, it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. Oh, now the hard time's over. And for a moment, I won't look back now. Yeah, and it's moving closer. I can feel it coming. Oh, now it's my time now. It's another game that I'm playing now. 'Cause it's finally here, finally here, yeah, here. Oh, 'cause it's finally here, finally here, yeah. Ooh, I've been staring again.
I just want to mention that I absolutely appreciate all of your guys' comments you left in my last video. You guys uplift me so much, and I just love the fact that you felt I was more relatable to you, and just the fact that I was sharing like my non-toxic journey and that I'm working part-time. And you know, sometimes it's hard to get on here and like be vulnerable or share like personal things going on in your life, or you know, changes you want to make in your life without feeling that you might be judged for it or anything like that. And I know that I can come on my channel and share with you guys things that are going on in my life, and that you guys are going to be positive and uplifting. And that's why I appreciate you guys so much. I love what we have here on my channel, and I just want to tell you thank you. I'm still focusing on trying to use up my products, but I have a few different non-toxic products I'm going to be sharing with you in my next couple of videos from a couple of different companies. So I'm really excited because you guys know I like trying out different non-toxic products and ways that we can clean in our house without having tons of toxins. So I'm excited for those few videos coming up. So after I'm done cleaning the dishes, I go ahead and clean out my sink. I'm going to use the Bon Ami today. This is a non-toxic product and I really like it. I've been using it for years. So I just go ahead and get the sink wet a little bit and then just spread it around, and we're going to start scrubbing. So I always like to go in with a dry paper towel so I can dry my sink, and it always leaves it sparkly clean and very shiny. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you a little DIY essential oil concoction that I'm about to do, and that is using the Young Living Thieves essential oil and lemon. So we are going to go ahead and make our own matte cocktail, and that's where I'm going to use the white vinegar and essential oils in this glass jar, and we are going to use this to clean my workout mat. So both Thieves and lemon essential oil are both good for cleaning, and lemon essential oil actually has an astringent, it's antiseptic, and it is a disinfectant. So it's very, very good to use for cleaning. I'm also using this bottle temporarily. I did order a couple of like 4-ounce amber colored bottles that are going to be here from Amazon. So for now, we're just using this glass bottle on this day just so I can have something more natural, non-toxic to clean with. I'll just go ahead and pour it into the new bottles I get soon. So I went ahead and just picked up the mats and hung them off the pull-up bar here so they can just kind of hang out and dry before I roll them back up and put them away. All right, you guys, so finally to the good part. I'm so excited to be giving away one of these beautiful, beautiful bags. This is from the company Hiiii Spirit. It is an anti-theft backpack, and there are actually a ton of bags you can choose from. So one lucky winner will be able to go onto their website and choose one of their bags for this giveaway. And I am so excited because I absolutely love this beautiful backpack. I did choose the larger bag because I wanted to be able to travel around to work with it, put my laptop in it, all kinds of good stuff. It's good for mom life because we're always carrying extra stuff with us. They also provided a discount code for you guys just in case you don't want to wait until the giveaway. You can get 20% off of their website, anything off of their site. So I will have their links in the description box, so you could definitely go check them out, and I will have the coupon code. All of the details to enter the giveaway will be down in my description box, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and got tons of motivation, and I will see you guys all later. Bye.